Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files and depends on the cost reduce. You just need to download the mod. I'm going with the 70 percentage off. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then select this downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Make this left, right side. You just need to navigate to the games folder. In my case, I saved in C drive. After you are in the games folder, you just need to drag and drop this as hatch folder to the game directory. And then just to close stuff here, we installed the mod successfully. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.